Saving with Shay. Listen, I almost didn't even make it. I'm not even gonna joke because the deals are not dealing right now. I don't know if it's right before, Thanksgiving, but the deals are not dealing. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna hit my weekend. I needed 15 offers for $5. If I do, I do. If I don't, you already know, I don't. And so, yeah. So I don't know how this is gonna go, to be honest. I was at the gym at 4 o'clock this morning, y'all, and look, literally, I was the only one there. I felt so freaking weird. I was the only one in there. I was like, dang. I told the girl, I said, nobody else here? She said, no. I said, damn. Yeah, I didn't get out of there till like 3 hours later, but damn. But anyway, so listen, I did do my the Hawaiian bread and the vegetables at Food for Less. The Hawaiian bread was $4, and then there was a 50-cent digital, and so it made that one like I think $1.50 money maker. And then I did the vegetables. I think the vegetables were $1.49 and got back $1.69, so I made 20 cents there. So I did the deals there versus doing them here at Walmart. I'm gonna head into Walmart and knock out these deals real quick, y'all. I'm hoping that they're not super crowded because y'all know, I know everybody's gonna be shopping for Thanksgiving, including myself. And so hopefully I can make this super duper quick. I mean, I know it's gonna be super quick because I was at the gym working on my list and I was just like, look, the list wasn't listing. But what I'll do in this video is we'll do a giveaway. Okay, we're gonna do a $25 Walmart giveaway, and all I want is you to tell me your favorite food for Thanksgiving. Like, or you could even put an emoji if you want. And that'll enter you, and then in my next video I'll announce the winner. And so without further ado, let's head into Walmart, see what kind of deals you can grab. If you want to see what you can write in the do, keep on watching. All right, guys, so this first deal is on the Ghirardelli. These are in the wrong spot. They're supposed to be over here. They're priced at $1.44, getting back $8 on Ibotta, limit of 5, makes them only 44 cents each. I guess this could be a nice little sweet little stocking stuffer. All right, just a reminder that the Mother's cookies are still a pretty good deal. They are priced at $3.42. You can grab the mythical creatures or the circus animals. Go ahead and grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $6.84, getting back $4 on Swagbucks, and 86 cents times 2 on checkout 51, bringing them down to only 56 cents each. And of course, you can always max it out and grab 4. All right, the next deal is on the Pleasy box juices. They're on rollback for $3.54. I have a buy one get one free offer on Social Nature. So we'll pay $7.08. We'll get back $3.54 on Social Nature. Then we'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, making them only 77 cents each. Okay, so this next deal is on the Fry Away. I've been like totally forgetting to grab this. It's a Social Nature offer. Now, this one is in the wrong spot. This is a 3.5 ounce. I always say check in store because online it said that it was out of stock. It is priced at $8.94, getting that back through Social Nature. I did have $1 back on Ibotta, but I don't have that offer anymore. So it just makes it free. All right, so the next deal is on candles, on the Glade candles. Now there's 2 different offers on Ibotta. One is for the ones priced at $5.98, and one is for the ones that are priced at $6.98. It's a buy one get one free offer. So the ones that are priced at $5.98, it would make them $2.49 each. And the ones that are priced at $6.98, it would make them $3.49 each. So, all right. So next up is the 7th generation dish soap. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal again. I just sold the last set that I bought yesterday. So they're priced at $3.72, and for this you're getting back 625 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.50, makes them $1.22 each with a limit of 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 again. All right, so this deal here is on the Dickinson's Witch Hazel toner. So I was gonna do this deal, but I can't find any pillies, so I'm gonna pass on it. Of course, if you guys can find any, then definitely it's not a bad deal. So for this, you're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them, priced at $4.94. You're gonna grab these that are right here. Use 2 pillies. You end up paying $5.88, getting back $4.94 on Ibotta, makes them 47 cents each. So this next deal is on the Arm & Hammer priced at $3.98. So for this, you're going to grab one using one of these $1.50 pillies that I found on the mouthwash some time ago now. That's going to bring that total down to you paying $2.48, and then you're going to get back $2 on Ibotta, making it only 48 cents with a limit of 3. So I'm going to definitely grab this deal today. Of course, I've been doing this deal on a repeat. These actually sell really good for me. So it's on the soft soap refill bottles priced at $5.97. You're grabbing one, getting back $1.75 on either Ibotta or Walmart Rewards, and then 600 points on our kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40. Brings them down to $1.82, which is definitely not a bad deal. So grabbing one for Ibotta and the other for Walmart Rewards. So this next deal is on the Alka-Seltzer's Fizzy Melts. They are priced at $5.48. And for this, getting back 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40. $1.50 on Ibotta brings it down to $1.58. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today, my little small haul. I did find some Dickinson pillies at a different store. So I went ahead and grabbed that deal. There goes the Hawaiian bread and the veggies that I got from Food for Less. And what I want to add. Oh, real quick, let me add a couple things that I want to mention. As far as, you know what? I did a giveaway for the Tide coupons. I don't know why, but you guys' messages end up in my spam, and I accidentally deleted it. And I think like 3 of you guys already had got back to me. So I need you to email me again, so that I can mail out those Tide coupons. I had picked 6 of you guys. I'll pop up as a reminder for those of you who haven't contacted me yet. So yeah, email me again. And then what else? With Flavor Wiki, because a lot of you guys have asked. I did pin a comment in my last video for the surveys. I did get reimbursed for the 3 count that I did at Dollar Tree, but that was before when they posted another survey. Remember we had duplicates. There was some changes to the newer surveys, including a size restriction. And so the first one that I did for the 3 count at Dollar Tree, that one did work for me. All right. And I'm still waiting for all of the other ones to process. On my account, I'm trying to think, because I basically did some yesterday and some today. They're so tedious, and I don't think I'll work from Joseph's account very often, to be fair, because it's just so time consuming to do the surveys. And I feel like they added a lot more questions and stuff in the second set of surveys. But basically, yeah, I do have, let me see, with his account, everything is processing except the 2. I told you guys I was going to try it and see if I would get reimbursed using the same receipt, because I wasn't quite sure how it worked, if you could or if you couldn't. And the additional set is still pending. So I don't anticipate that I'll get reimbursed for that, which is perfectly fine. I didn't count that in my numbers anyways. It was just like, let's see what happens type of situation. And so, yeah, but I think the reason why they had to redo the surveys was because with the first set of surveys, there was no size restriction or anything at all. It was just a picture. And you didn't know to the very end when it asked you, well, which one do you prefer, where it set the sizes. When they did the survey the second time, it actually has sizes. And with those surveys, guys, everything is there that you need to know. It tells you exactly what to buy. If it's brand or store specific, it'll tell you the store. Most of their surveys, if not all, you can do them at any store. And usually there's no size restriction unless it specifies otherwise. All right, so I just wanted to make that clarification. Other than that, I'm going to breeze through this. You can hear Josiah in the other room, my little human being his little human self. And so everything you see here retails $74.63. I had $8.50 in coupons. That was for the Arm & Hammer and the Dickinsons, which scanned perfectly fine. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $65.83. My sales tax was $4.48. And we walk away with $31.30 from Ibotta, $12.49 from Social Nature, and $12.34 from Shopkick. So $56.13 back in rebates. It nets this at $9.70, which is definitely a lot more than I'm used to paying. But if y'all watched my last video, we made $400 this month already. So I am not mad at it at all. Other than that, I'm not sure if I'll do another video before Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving. Jojo, what was your emoji bug? Do you remember what it was? Pancakes, because he wants pancakes. That's why. And it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and he won't. He just like me though. He got it from his mama. I can eat pancakes any time of day, with no syrup. And he just started eating syrup, like literally like 2 weeks ago. But anyways, if you make it to the end, I appreciate you guys watching. I want to see pancakes for him. And then if you guys watch the intro to the video, you know what emoji or you know what the question is for the giveaway. And so if you don't, because you skipped the intro, then you should probably go back and watch it. And so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.